a taxi MPU that had some issues in the special solenoid section, and I made a video how to easily remove these parts. First time in a long time I've seen the pre-drive 2N4401 fail, also in addition to the tip 102. So I've replaced both of those. Had a problem down here in the switch matrix. That was the SIP resistor, 560 ohms at SR11, was cracked in half, and I rolled in a picture of that. I have installed a socket and NVRAM. I've replaced the power input header and replaced C30, which is in the reset section. And I think that's it. So let's boot it up with my universal displays for taxi. And you can see I set it to free play also. This is the bonus display on taxi. This one over here is just extraneous at this point in time. So let's see what's going on here. The lamp matrix is operating properly and no solenoids are on at this time. So let's begin test. Music test. All that's coming from the CPU board. And then we go to display test. And I've run this before and this is working properly. And it'll go through the bonus display. So we are good to go there. Next test is...
Hey! Million! Ooh! Jackpot! Taxi! Ho, ho, ho!
That's all.
Hey!
That sounded like Bullwinkle. That is all coming from a soundboard that I have attached to it. Lamp matrix test. All lamps functioning. We can go through the individual lamp test. All working properly. The next test is solenoid test. And you'll hear it click, and then the green LED in this column will light up. And that is the AC select relay clicking. Now it won't be clicking anymore because we're over into the non-multiplex solenoids, and here are the special solenoids. And when the board came in, that Q73 or solenoid 19 was locked on. So let's also check the switch inputs for the special solenoids. Working properly. We could do switch levels. I'll go to switch edges and work my way through row 1. The last switch on taxi is switch 58. When I first put this on the bench, I couldn't do this because I had some switches stuck on, and there's switch 58. And in fact, it was running very rapidly through these single lamp tests. Now I have set it to free play. I'll just go through audits and adjustments and the board will reboot and it should say free play, and it does. Soundboard was reset. Lamp matrix back to normal. Solenoids back to normal. This board is good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.